everyone! Today we're making Handi Biryani with Tilda pure Basmati rice.
Start by measuring out 3/4 of a cup of Tilda pure Basmati rice into a strainer. Give it a good wash, drain and set aside. To prepare the saffron rice, pour hot water into a saucepan, add in the washed and drained Tilda Basmati rice, cover and cook on low heat for 10 minutes. While the rice is cooking, combine hot milk, ground saffron, a bit of sugar, give it a good mix and set aside to infuse. 10 minutes later, open the lid and pour the saffron-infused milk all over the cooked rice as evenly as possible. Do this while the rice is still hot so every grain can soak up the saffron flavor. Tilda is the most premium basmati that will result in the longest grain every single time, that too without soaking. While the saffron rice is cooling, prepare the biryani filling. Heat oil in a pan, add in sliced potato, cauliflower florets, green beans, carrots, green capsicum, and some green peas. Sauté the veggies on high heat until they're nicely browned and about 80% cooked through. Set them aside while you prepare the biryani masala. To a blender jar, add onion, garlic, green chili, cashew nuts, fresh coconut, dry red chili, cinnamon stick, black peppercorns, clove, coriander seed, cumin seed, ginger, and some water. Blend it all to a smooth paste. Heat ghee in the same saucepan and add in the ground biryani masala. Next, add in some salt and some turmeric. Give it a good mix and continue cooking until the paste thickens. Once the paste has thickened significantly, add in the cooked veggies and mix well. Now add in some water to deglaze the pan. Your flavorful biryani filling is now ready. To assemble the biryani, layer half the saffron rice in the bottom of a greased handi or a clay pot. Sprinkle over some torn mint leaves and some fried onions. Now add all of the biryani masala on top of the first layer of saffron rice. Top with the remaining saffron rice. Garnish with some more fried onions. And lastly, some mint leaves. Cover tightly with a piece of aluminum foil and bake for about 20 minutes or until the biryani is super fragrant. And there you have a delicious handi biryani made with Tilda pure and original basmati rice.